What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, today's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a small block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we got CPI. At 1 o'clock, we have the monthly budget statement for February. And at 3:30, we have some crude news. Now, it's never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you do choose to trade during volatile price action, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. Now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded on today's stream, and in price traded in a rotational range. You can see that the bears held off this level. Every time price pushed up into this level, they broke it down. The bears found support, they brought it up, broke past it. The bulls failed to take this higher, and the bears taking this lower. Now, after our stream, price did continue to trade in a range, and because we have such a major news release coming out tomorrow, I do understand why. But here's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow before the CPI release. We're making higher lows, and the bulls are finding support here at this level, and price can continue higher, retesting this area of resistance. Now keep in mind that we do have CPI tomorrow. The last CPI report came in hotter than expected, and we had a big drop. So market participants are going to be looking at the results of this report and be prepared for volatile price action. I'm also looking for this area of support just in case if price does go lower overnight, which I highly doubt, but if it does, I do expect bulls to find some support in this area, possibly retesting this trading range. But again, we have CPI tomorrow. Anything can happen during that major news release, so I'll just be keeping my eyes on these levels. Now let's jump into a CL chart. Now this is a CL chart, and it's not hard to miss that CL is currently in a downward trend, but the bulls did break this trend, retesting this area of resistance. Here's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow with CL. I do believe that the bulls do break this high and retest this area of resistance. I do believe that once price finds its way somewhere in this box, I do believe that we'll get a correction, possibly retesting this structure right here. The price action for CL has been up and down, but overall, in my opinion, I feel that the bulls are still in control. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias for tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So I'm currently up $948 in my Apex performance account. I did blow one performance account on stream. I did try to scalp my way to a P&L, but that is just not my trading style. So moving forward, I'm going to trade this account the same way I trade my Top Step account, but with smaller size. I'm not a scalper. Even though I'm really good at scalping, I absolutely hate scalping. I feel that there's no real trading in scalping. I'm just putting on large size and hoping that it hits my target. I just have to remind myself that I have 30 days until my first payout with Apex. And that gives me enough time to really build this account. And once I do reach the payout, I believe the 300K accounts, you can only withdraw $3,200 if I'm not mistaken. So it's really, I have to be mindful that this is the long game. And with that said, that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.